All right, so what's up, you guys? Here we are on the finish. Check it out. So there's our pretty mirror, our LED mirror. She went with a really pretty light up here. Love it. We are waiting on our custom vanity. Inset drawers. I mean, high-end custom. This is going to be spectacular. It actually kind of matches the floor. So that's why the trim there doesn't come around yet. And that's why we still need to move plumbing over here. But with these drawers, the drawers are going to go around the plumbing. So we're waiting on them to get their specs together so we know exactly where to put that guy. So that's the only thing left in here that we're waiting on. So there's those one-piece toilets, man. These are fantastic too. We love them. Absolutely love them. Now, we skirted the front of this tub here. That's why we like the PVC little scribe, because it allows you to get down there, get all the little details. So she had her original wood trim. We took that off, and by growing a little bit with our trim, we were able to backwards dive an ending point here on this trim. There you go. So we didn't have any raw edges there showing. But got our silicone all in there. I love that faucet. Sharp silicone lines. Just really turned out really good. We absolutely love it. We did the same thing over here with this one. There's our niche. And then we like that up there by the ceiling. It's always a pain to do something up there. You get grout on the ceiling. Show the tile where it don't meet all the way. You know, all those problems a lot of people have. This is why we like using that. It's PVC. Just makes a really pretty finished look. And then here's the shelving. Got all the shelves done. 1, 2, and 3. If you want to know how to do those or tile them, or you know, just anything under the sun that you can think of, we just put a video out earlier as to how we pop those together. Stupid simple. And by the way, the materials it took to do this like that, with a 2x4, 2x4, one in the front, 3/4 sheet of plywood on top and bottom, and then to skirt that with the floor, we got right at $100 tied into these 3 shelves. Me and Tom could sit on every one of these shelves, holds all kinds of weight, all of them in a stud, just a lot better than those white wire shelves. So that's it, you guys. We're done with this one. We're getting ready to start the master here tomorrow. Hope y'all like it. Until the next, we'll see y'all back real soon. Happy Tuesday.